Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this instant ramen into this delicious soft tofu ramyeon that will hit the spot. I mean, just look at this stewed-like broth. I mean, does it look good or does it look good? Oh, I know you're salivating right now. If you love Korean soft tofu stew and ramyeon, you must make this soft tofu ramyeon pronto. 오늘의 레시피, 맛있는 순두부 라면 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Amazing, amazing. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. When it comes to Korean instant ramen, Shin Ramen is everyone's favorite in my opinion. And today we're going to use black Shin Ramen. This has additional beef bone broth powder, which makes the broth extra tasty. You can purchase these online and I will have the product links in the description box below. Bring 3 cups of water to boil. And from here we're going to add our black Shin Ramen and then the rest of the crumbles on the bottom. And these guys come with 3 packets, so we're going to add vegetables and the 2 soup packets. And then we're just going to mix everything up and we're going to cook this on high heat for about good 1.5 to 2 minutes. And about halfway, just pick up the noodles and just mix it. Then we're going to pull these out very soon. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat off and I'm going to pull out the noodles and transfer it to a bowl. So we're just taking out the noodles only. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Spam cubes, 1 tablespoon of white onion, 1 scallion minced, and 1 garlic clove minced. We're going to put it all in here. And we're going to take our soft tofu. This is called SunDuBu. We're just going to pierce it and then just dump it out like that. And then we're going to break it up into big chunks. And this part's optional. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of gochugaru, that's Korean red pepper flakes, just to give it that extra spicy taste. Mix it up again. Turn the heat back up to high. And then we're going to put our lid on it. And we're going to let this cook on high heat for 2 minutes. And while the soft tofu is cooking, we're just going to air toss the noodles like this and let the noodles cool down. And when you cool down the noodles like this, it makes the noodles taste chewy and al dente. And we're gonna cut the noodles down the middle like this. This part, we're just gonna leave it long. And this part here, we're just gonna chop it up into small bits and pieces because I'm gonna show you my special way of eating soft tofu ramyeon. And here we go. Do you hear that sound, the bubbling sound, our tofu ramyeon? Oh, it's gonna be so good. And this is done, so we're gonna turn the heat off. This is what it should look like that. Soft tofu with our ramyeon broth. Ooh, that's gonna be so good. Does that look good or what? And with our ham and onions and everything together. There you go. And garnish more with some scallions and garnish with some red and green peppers. And what I like to do is take a handful and put it on a lid like that and just air toss it. And you just eat straight from the lid right here. So this is the way to eat it, with the lid. Okay, just kidding, you don't have to. Bon appetit, everyone. Oh, the noodles are so al dente, so good. You ask, is it okay to slurp when you eat noodles? Absolutely yes, in Korean culture. Just don't be obnoxious about it and make it extra loud or start slurping and splashing people around you. So what I like to do is always have a spoonful of the broth first. Oh, can you taste that? Oh, this is so good. And for the ultimate bite, this is it. With our chopped up ramen noodles and soft tofu and vegetables and this delicious broth. And you could hear the crunchiness of the vegetables and then the Spam and then the broth and the soft tofu. amazing, amazing. And this is my pakimchi. This is so good. You have to ferment this for a while to enjoy it, but I will do a recipe on this eventually, so make sure to subscribe. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, make sure to click on that like button and subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.